Alright guys, today I'm going to introduce you guys to a new northern blue-tongued skink, and I'm going to show you guys a little bit of my reptile room today. Alright guys, today I also have a cameraman behind the camera. I want to introduce you guys to him. His name is Reptiler on Instagram, and his name is actually Tyler, but it goes by Reptiler. Is that how you say it?
Yep.
He's not going to show his face just yet, but we'll show his face one day. So it's going to be a little bit of a mystery and all that. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys my new northern blue-tongued skink. All right guys, here we got my friend Morgan. She works at my local reptile shop down here in Lodi. And right here, what do we have?
A northern blue-tongued skink that Benny just picked up.
And then where are these located?
They are from Australia and Indonesia, depending on their locality. But this guy, again, he's a northern, so he's kind of got a little different coloring than some of the other guys, but he stays that really kind of cool tan color.
And this is about full grown for them,
yeah,
right?
He's not going to get much bigger than this. He'll eat bugs, he'll eat snails. You can give him fruits and vegetables occasionally, but this guy really likes his bugs.
All right, and then is there anything you specialize in or that you want to get into?
I love my frogs and I love my tarantulas. So I have 8 frogs at home and I have 11 tarantulas, hopefully more soon. So
okay, so are we gonna have you more part of my videos and stuff now?
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay,
see, I got frog.
I know.
Yep.
So I got a lot more help now. So these my friends, I'll say these people, but my friends are gonna come down and do my videos. Tyler especially is gonna be behind the camera most of the time, and then she'll come down and help me handle some of these reptiles. Like today, I had her hold a big green anaconda. So we didn't get any videos of that, but we're gonna show a future video of the anaconda and all that stuff and updates. But yeah, guys, I just want to introduce you to my new blue-tongued skink. I mean, this guy's pretty cool though. So the ones you see would have like more a little bit oranges or what? Like I mean, like there's like ones. What is it called? The morph. I don't know.
I know what you're talking about.
There's color morphs in these guys. This guy's pretty cool.
Yeah,
and we don't know how to sex these guys yet, right?
No, you'll probably have to get a blood test. I know with some of them,
there's
some people
heads,
will look at
length,
the scales on the scale pattern on the belly, but it's not a for sure thing. So if you're gonna breed them, obviously you want to know for sure.
Yeah. All right, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed that little video of my new northern blue-tongued skink. But let me just show you a little bit about my room. It's try to clean up as much as I can. But right here, guys, we got my little bearded dragon. So this is a bearded dragon I got from our friend Morgan, who you guys just saw. Right here, I believe he is an orange-red translucent. I believe. I got to ask my friend behind the camera. What do you think it is? Yeah.
It is a red-orange leatherback bearded dragon.
Okay, let's show them a little bit more of this guy. So yeah, he's pretty friendly. I don't want him to bite me right now as I'm saying he's nice, but so these guys, I got these lizards to use for my reptile parties and stuff that I do, but I also enjoy to have these reptiles at the same time. And he will be getting into a bigger enclosure in the future. These are just temporary enclosures for now. But yeah, guys, so this is my room, my little reptile room that I have here that you guys don't really see too much of. This is my incubator I have right here, and I also do have a clutch of eggs in there, ball python eggs. And then right here, you guys just see my green anaconda. We were just finished up on cleaning. We gotta add a little bit more in their enclosure. But yeah, guys, that's Kiwi, my green anaconda, and right above Kiwi, we got my mainland retic, the Borneo Ambon retic. And that guy, especially, he's gonna be moving on to a vision cage pretty soon here. And above that cage, we got my pair of false water cobras. We got the hypo male and the female. They're both in shed right now, so I would pull them out for you guys, but sadly they're in shed. But yeah, guys, that's just a little bit of my room. Right behind me, I got my racks where I have a lot of my ball pythons and stuff. So I'm working on a few projects. I got the like I said, I'm trying to make that orange dream clown pied. Hopefully I can make that. But if not, I got a pied clutch coming here soon. So yeah, guys, and also I actually got one more thing to show you guys. I'm gonna show you guys right now. And then right here, guys, we got my Burmese Python. This is the hypo albino Burm, and she's getting some size on her. So yeah, I'll be pulling her out in future videos, but I just wanted to show you guys and how she's doing. She's getting big, guys. She's getting very big. I just want to end the video on my male albino pied. This guy is the one that kind of started this collection again, and this is the reason why I'm into these reptiles too. These ball pythons, but the albino pied was one of my favorite snakes as a kid. It was a dream of mine. I remember when these first came out, they were thousands of dollars. But now that I'm breeding them, it just shows me where I'm at in life. But yeah, guys, just want a little update on this guy. You know, there's no reason to fatten him up too fast because it's unhealthy. So I'm trying to keep him at a good size. But yeah, guys, this is my albino pied. I can't remember his name on top of my head. My nephew named him. But I'll ask him again, try to get the name for him. But I just want to thank you guys for subscribing and watching all my videos. I highly appreciate you guys. And make sure to press that bell notification so you guys can see all my future videos. And I want to make sure you guys have a fantastic day. Thank you guys.